commercial entrance closers. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this episode, we will cover the different types of closers and the appropriate applications for every entrance. Here's an example of a surface mount closer. Surface mount closers are very economical, easy to access. They're attached to the surface of either the door or the frame. If you need to replace them, repair them, you can just remove the closer and not have to remove the door. Very simple to operate. You can see an illustration of those here, a pair of doors at this location, and you can see surface mount closers on them. Concealed closers are hidden within the header above the door or under the door. So these you can't see, they're concealed. Now all closers do have adjustments for the sweep speed and the closing speed and the latch speed. Here's the spindle on the closer. This is attached to the hydraulics, and that square nub sticking out of it secures to the door to rotate the door. And here are the adjustments for the speed. So all closers are going to have these two adjustment locations on them. Here you can see an example of a header, and this is a center acting door. The closer is concealed in the header, and you can see the spindle here drops down and engages in the top of the door. So this is a double acting door that's center hung. Here is a single acting door, and again, it's offset to the front. So in this case, we need to have an adapter. You can see there's an adapter arm that's attached here to the spindle and then offset and drops into a slide in the top rail of the door. But you can see a concealed overhead closer in the transom above it. The other option for a concealed closer is in the floor underneath the door. This is very common with all glass doors. You have minimal hardware, so the closer is concealed underneath the door. You can see this one on the left is an offset for a single acting door. This is centered for a double acting door. Typical location of those is here underneath the door. So you can see there's an access panel on the threshold. So the threshold is a little bit bigger, allowing access to the closer underneath the door. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.